Let's talk about state animals, shall we?
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
If you are not subscribed to this channel, I highly recommend that you become one because it's a nice place to be. I promise. Let's do this! So Sweden is divided into 21 län, states, but we still talk about our 25 landskap, provinces, which due to the instrument of government in 1634 became today's state with today's state lines, which differs in most cases from the four. There are tradition with royalties having titles of these provinces, and each province also has an official shield. But in this video we're going to talk about landskapsdjur, province animals, all 25 of them, the animal that represents the people who live there. I have drawn these 25 animals and we're going to take it from the top, meaning from the north, and work our way down. The mighty Lapland has Fjällräv Arctic fox, and Fjällräv is also the name of the company that creates the backpack Konken. Norrbotten has Lavskrika Siberian jay. Västerbotten has Storspov, the Eurasian curlew. Jämtland has Alg Moose. Angermanland has Bäver, Beaver. Quite an easy one. Härjedalen has Brunbjörn Brown bear. Medelpad has Skogshare, hare, or directly translated forest hare. Hälsingland has Lodjur Eurasian lynx. Gästrikland has Tjäder Wood grouse. Dalarna has Berguv Eurasian eagle. Värmland has Varg Gray wolf. Västmanland has Lodjur Roe deer. Uppland has Havsörn White-tailed eagle. Närke has Hasselmus Hazel dormouse. Södermanland has fiskgjuse osprey. Dalsland has Korp Raven, which makes me think of Edgar Allan Poe. Bohuslän has knupsäl, harbor seal. Västergötland has Trana Common crane. Östergötland has Knölsvan Mute swan. Halland has Lax Salmon, I know, the airport. Småland has utter, otter. Gotland has Igelkott Hedgehog. Öland has Näktergal Nightingale. Blekinge has Ekoxe Stag beetle. And finally Skåne kronhjort red deer. And those were the 25 province animals. Maybe I should do the plants and the flower one as well. What do you think? Should I do that? Nonetheless, you have now learned some of the geography of Sweden. You have learned the names of 25 animals and how each of us are represented by them depending on where we live based on a jury that decided this in 1988. You are most welcome.